Hi, this is Carly Susu, aka Virtually Susu VR Artist. This is the first in a mini series of 3-minute tilt brush tutorials from my friends who have been asking what I'm doing. Every week I'll show you a neat little trick, and this week it's flying saucers using an Easter egg that's available in PC-based headsets. Activate the straight edge on any brush and then define a circle. Then bring the brush end through the starting point of the circle. So straight edge, any brush, take it round, bring the end back through the beginning, and there you have it. Voila, a perfect flying saucer. So now we take that saucer and we just copy and paste it, and we can change the color. I'm going to stack them up, and then I'm going to group them and copy and paste various sizes. I can even use one as a hat. Then, because they're crashing these flying saucers into a crater in Arizona, there's flames and smoke, so I'm using the fire and smoke brushes. And yeah, that's looking pretty cool. So crashing flying saucers. And now I'm using the globe guide to make a rainbow, which is arcing over this scene of devastation and destruction, and lots of sparkle, always lots of sparkle, sparkly brushes. And the mountains of Arizona are appearing. I'm using shiny hull brush. I used a shiny hull brush on my spaceships, using a square guide to make the lake that they are going to crash in. And this is a disco brush, which always makes terrific water. And more sparkles, thank you very much. More sparkles. And then, seeing as we're in Arizona, I think we need some cactuses. So very basic cactuses coming up. I'm using one of the wire brushes, I think, for this. And there you have it. Flaming flying saucers crashing into a lake in Arizona. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, and if you've got any questions, just ask them below. Bye!